What a nice guys. Another recipe guys. Pang Pinoy. Pinoy style. Eto guys. Munggo. Eto guys. At nilagyan namin siya guys ng daon ng malunggay. What a nice. At may ampalaya. What a nice. Init na init guys. At may baboy. Wala lang chicharon. What a nice. What a nice. At ito guys. Init na init. Sa sarap. Dahil tag-ulan. What a nice. Eto guys. Yan. Ako'y mag-extra rice ako nung mamaya. I need to extra rice. Napakasarap nito guys. What a nice, what a nice. Mainit-init. Yan. Subscribe, share, and comment po sa aking Facebook account. Yan, what a nice TV guys. What a nice. Yan. Thank you very much guys sa mga nanonood guys. Yan. Thank you very much. What a nice. Ingat. Like guys.